Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Fashion Box. If you love staying on top of the latest trends and beautiful hairstyles, you're in the right place. Today we're talking into the world of bob hairstyles, one of the most popular and versatile cuts right now. We'll be explaining a trending of bob styles that are trending and super styles. Whether you're thinking of getting a bob or just want some fresh ideas, we got you covered. Before before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends and family who are also looking for new hairstyling. Let's start. First up is the classic bob. This timeless cut is all about simpler and unique. It's cut straight around the head of a boat joil and it's perfect for almost any face shapes. To style this look, use a flat iron for scaleness or a curling want for soft waves. These styles never goes out of fashion. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumb up. Share this with anyone who might be concerned or classing bob. Next, we have the line bob. This style is longer in the front and short in the back, cutting a chic look. This this bob adds a bit of edge and stylish. It's great for those who want to make a statement with their hair. Use a round brush to add volume at the roots. If you enjoyed this bob ideas, hit that subscribe button, like this video and share it with your friends. The textured bob is all about movement and volume. It's perfect for adding a playful whips to your look. To achieve this style, use a textured spray and a sea salad spray. It's ideas for a light lady bag everyday look. Adding bangs to your bob can give it a fresh trend twist. You can choose from curtain bangs, button bangs, or side bangs. Bangs can change the whole whip of your bob. Try different styles to see what they suit your face shape and personal style best. The bobs is another popular choose. It's simpler to the line bob, but with more bones, angle, and a demanding hairstyle. This style adds a lot of volume and shapes. It's great for those who want a bold and modern look. Use a moisturizer to each these shapes. Enjoy these styles. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. A wavy bob is perfect for a relaxed beach look. The waves and textural and fun to your hairstyles. To achieve this look, use a curling wand and finishing with a light hold hairspray. It's perfect for a day at the beach or a curls outing. If you like wavy styles, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumb up and share it with your friends and family. The silk bob is all about smooth, polished hair. It's perfect for a special occasions and personality look is very unique. Use a fold iron and smoothing serum to get the silk finishing. Its ideas for a silk shine and neat appearance. For more silk styles, subscribe to our channel, like this video if you love a polished look, and share it with friends who need some silk hair and unique ideas. The curly bobs. If you have natural curl or want to add some bones, a curly bob is a fantastic style. It's fun and lovely. Use a curling iron or impress your natural curl with curl achieve product. This style adds volume and a playful touch to your bobs. The asymmetrically bob furnished on sides long than the other, cutting a unique and edge look. This style is perfect for those who want something a bit different and modern. Use a straightener for a silky finish or impress its natural shapes. If you're loving these unique styles, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends who are looking for any and different haircuts and different hairstyling. B- The blend bobs is cut straight, according with on layer of affording a bold and clean look. This style is great for a modern and maintenance appearance. Use a felt iron to keep the edge shape and neat. For more clean and stylish cuts, make sure to uh, different ideas and different hairstylings. For this video, bob's haircuts is very unique and very popular trending hairstyling, and different beautiful hairstyle for any face shapes. Your personality is very pretty and unique look for this bob haircuts. A layered bob adds dimension and volume to your hair. It's perfect for those who want a bit more movement and texture. Ask your stylist for layers that blend with your bob. Use a textured spray to achieve this layer and volume. If layered bob are your thing, think for different hairstyling ideas for hair bob haircuts. Unique and very pretty look for bob haircut styling. Your cut is very trending and very popular trend is bob hairstyle look and hairstyling. Bob haircut, different ideas and different hairstyle look for this video. The mixie bob is perfect for a relaxed and carefree look. It's great for those who love an affront chin hairstyles. If you like the mixie look and different long bob and short bob and medium bob looks for different hairstyling ideas and different uh, hair cutting for this video. The long bob or lob is a style that styling length there than the classic bob. It's great option for those who want length but still away the bob cuts. These styles can be worn straight, wavy, or curled. It's perfect for adding a bit of length while keeping the bob shapes. For more different ideas for haircuts, bob haircuts for this video. I hope your video is very usefully idea for this hair bob cuts and enjoy these different hairstyling ideas. my channel Fashion Box. Subscribe, like and share. Press the bell icon